Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. So today in this video we are going to discuss about saturated solution. Alright. So before we talk about saturated solution, let's talk about solution. We have used like the terms about sugar solution, salt solution. So what exactly is the solution? Alright. So when a substance dissolves in a liquid, it forms a solution. Alright. So when we mixed sugar in water and such that sugar dissolve in water, then we say that the solution is being prepared. Alright. So the solid particle that mixed in the solution, that is called solute. Means if you mix sugar and salt, so this is a solute. All right, and liquid is called solvent. Means you mix the sugar into water, so here sugar is solute and water is solvent. All right, so solvent refer to a liquid and solute refer to substance that is dissolved. So a solute and a solvent together form a solution. Now the question is, when we talk about the mixing solute to a solvent, so can I add 10 spoon of salt in a glass of water? So how much amount of salt can a water dissolve in it? So let's say you have one glass of water and it have added in 2 teaspoon of salt, and when you stir it, it completely get dissolved. Now let's say I again add 4 teaspoon of salt and stir it. So it also dissolve, and again if I add 5 more spoon of salt, so do you think if I am adding more and more salt, it will still get dissolved in water? No, because if I have 1 glass of water and I add uh, 2 kg salt into it, do you think it will get dissolved? Of course not. All right, so there is a limit beyond which if we keep on adding more salt, it will not dissolve. So the salt will remain at the bottom of the water. So that limit up to which the water is dissolved, the salt that is being added is said to be a level of saturation. So saturation means the upper limit. All right, so a solution is said to be saturated when no more solute can be dissolved in solvent. So in that case, let's say if you keep on adding more salt, and once the solution has reached its saturation level, and after you keep on adding, what will happen? So the salt gets settled down in the bottom. So that is the concept of saturated solution. So in the stage at which no more solute can be dissolved into the solution, this stage is known as saturation point.